5:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday, Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Quebec. Extra care and attention should be exercised. The following localities are included in the warning: Metro Montreal, Laval, Lanaudière, Mont-Tremblant Park, Saint-Michel-des-Saints, Richelieu Valley, Saint-Hyacinthe, Lachute, and Saint-Jérôme. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a line of very dangerous thunderstorms capable of producing destructive wind gusts, nickel to ping-pong ball size hail and heavy rain. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Intense lightning is likely, and tornadoes are possible with any thunderstorm that develops.